Prime Minister Modi is a friend of mine, but they sell a lot to us. India was the highest, or just about the highest tariff nation in the world. Well, they have to pay a fair rate.
Trump tariffs are now a reality. 6 months of tough, bruising negotiations, numerous deadline extensions, and a relentless carrot and stick game from Washington, all leading to this moment. US President Donald Trump pulled the trigger on Thursday, unleashing sweeping tariffs on 69 countries and the European Union, a trade blitz that takes effect from the 7th of August. The numbers are staggering. 10% to 41% duties, slamming allies and adversaries alike. Canada faces 35%, India gets 25% plus penalties, Taiwan sees 20%, Thailand 19%, and Pakistan, Trump's newfound ally, also gets 19%. Canada has fired back in writing, branding the move disappointing. Prime Minister Mark Carney vowed action to protect Canadian jobs and diversify export markets. He said that the Canadian government remains laser-focused on what it can control, building a strong Canada. Meanwhile, other countries have called for the tariffs to be removed and a return to a free trade regime.
We believe in free and fair trade, and we will continue to put the argument to the United States that they should remove all tariffs on Australian products in accordance with our free trade agreement.
谈判到目前为止，虽然已经获致阶段性的成果，由32%调降为20%，但20%从一开始就不是台湾谈判的目标。我们希望在后续的谈判当中，争取台湾更有利、更合理的税率。那这一部分，美国政府也表达意愿跟台湾进行谈判。
The executive order was signed just hours after Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal rose in Parliament on Thursday in response to Trump's 25% tariff plus penalty and dead economy jibes. The minister made it clear that the national interest would not be compromised in any deal.
सरकार हमारे किसानों, श्रमिकों, एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, उद्यमी, निर्यातकों, सूक्ष्म लघु और मध्यम उद्योगों और उद्योग जगत के सभी हितधारकों के कल्याण की रक्षा और संवर्धन को सर्वोच्च महत्व देती है। हम अपने राष्ट्रीय हितों को सुरक्षित करने और आगे बढ़ाने के लिए सभी आवश्यक कदम उठाएंगे।
The ministers also stressed that talks are ongoing, with India pressing for a fair deal by October-November 2025. Still, markets felt the shock. Equities dipped and the rupee slid to a 5-month low. Exporters from textiles to pharmaceuticals began freezing deals. Economists warn that growth could slip by up to 40 basis points if the tariffs stick. Bureau Report, Business Today TV.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.